Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? Hope you're keeping safe, eating healthy and staying fit. Remember, we are coming out of this alive and stronger in the name of Jesus. So today I'll be showing you how I make my detoxifying smoothie using celery, cucumber and green apples. These three are alkaline in nature, and like we all know, alkaline foods help the body to be a poor environment for so many diseases like cancer. This smoothie should be consumed on an empty stomach to work effectively before having any meal. I normally have this drink about 5 hours to when I'm going to eat. The kidney and the liver are the main organs of the body that help in detoxification. So we need to keep these organs working properly. So many times we consume foods that are not okay, giving these organs too much work to do. So once in a while or every week, we need to detoxify to keep these organs working effectively. So cucumber is alkaline and it is a disease-fighting property. It cleanses and flushes out toxins from the body, and it contains antioxidants. It also helps in weight loss and promotes hydration on the skin. Celery detoxifies as well, and it's rich in vitamin A, K, and C. It's low in sodium, and this helps people who are diabetic. It flushes the liver of toxins as well. When your liver is clean, your body's metabolic rate will be fast, you'll be healthy. Green apples, it's rich in dietary fiber, helps maintain good blood flow in the body. It's also rich in vitamin C, contains vitamin K, which helps in blood clotting, good source of antioxidants. So without wasting your time, let's go straight to how I make it. Now I'm going to cut them smaller to make it easier to blend. It is very important that we detox the body. Our bodies are under constant assault from toxins, which can come from unhealthy diet and lifestyle choices. So too many of all these toxins make us feel bloated. And the skin also is impacted. You see most people having acne, pimples, and some are complaining, they are unable to shed their fat and all of that. All this happens when the kidney and liver, which are the main organs, are just unable to do their job. So we need to have green drinks almost all the time. If you have the time to do this, the body the body needs this, and your skin will thank you for this because you look so radiant, glowing. And the moment you start having this drink, people will start asking you, have you changed your cream? What's going on? But it's just your healthy lifestyle. So let's keep this as part of our lifestyle, drinking green. When you start taking this drink, your body has a chance to recover. It resets the digestive system, and you feel so rejuvenated and revitalized. All cut and ready for blending. So I'm putting them in the blender, and I'm going to add some water, clean drinking water. So this depends on the type of blender you're using. If your blender is smaller or bigger, you add as more quantity or lower quantity, depends on your blender type. You can use your smoothie maker as well if you have. my smoothie maker is too small. And I need to save some for tomorrow. Hence, I'm using a bigger blender. So you're going to add as much water as you want. If you want the smoothie to be very thick, then it all depends on how you want it. I want mine to be thick, so I didn't add too much water. So now my smoothie is ready the way I want it, and I'm going to have a drink of it before I eat this morning. So I take this drink regularly, and I take it on an empty stomach. Sometimes I have this drink in the morning and also last thing before going to bed. All I can say to you is it's really working. So if you have not been having this type of smoothie, I would advise you to start taking it. Anything green is good for the body. You can add spinach, you can add ginger, you can add kale, you can add any green vegetables and fruits of your choice. You can make it more than 3. So we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know in the comment section below. Also share with your friends so everyone can stay healthy. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.